Hello everyone, welcome back to Dev Academy. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to create a database and tables in SQL. This video will guide you step by step. So let's get started. To create a database in SQL, we use create database statement. Create database, database name. Testing DB is a database name. Here, yeah, this is a database name. In the left hand side, many databases are there except this testing DB. Correct? Now I am creating this database testing DB. If we are executing this command, our database will be created successfully. If I am refresh this one, yeah, click on databases. You see here the testing DB will be created. If you expand this testing DB in tables, here there is no table. Correct? Currently there is no tables in the testing DB. Before we are creating a table, we need to select a database. Correct? Currently I am trying to create a table in a testing DB. Now what I did is use, I will give that database name testing DB. You see here in the top side in the drop down, the web application 1 DB will be selected. Correct? If you are executing this use command, the testing DB will be selected. Now let's create a table in our database in testing DB by using create table statement. Create table, table name. I will give a table name as a users. Open, open and close bracket. Here I will create a 2 to 3 columns. One is ID. I will give a ID is a int data type. The int data type is allows the numeric values only. It does not allow the string values and other data types. And name varchar. Varchar is another data type in SQL. The varchar data type allows numerical and integer values. Here, if I am executing this table, yeah, the table will be successfully created. You see here, if we are in the testing DB, if we are refresh this database, expand the tables, the users table will be created. Here, click on this table, right click on users table and select top 100 rows. You see here in the the users table we have here two columns. One is a ID column and second one is a name column. ID column is a integer data type and the name column is a varchar data type. In our next video, I will show you how to insert the data, update the data and delete. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.